welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Emily Marie, and for today's video I'm going to the beach, Santa Monica Beach, with my best friend Sarah. If you know, you've probably seen her in a couple of my videos. We're gonna go watch the sunset and eat dinner on the beach. It's gonna be so fun, and so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So right now I'm walking to the station because we're gonna go in the metro, so we'll see ya later. Now we're waiting on a bus to go. Where are we going? I don't know where we're going. Oh, we're gonna go to Thai Vegan, which is a vegan place I found because I watched a YouTube video. So, yeah.
Woo, adventure.
Yeah. Okay, so we're on a bus now. We're gonna go to Thai Vegan.
Okay.
We're so awkward.
We are very awkward. Let's have a little story time. So, on the way here. Okay, JK. Bye. No, I'm. Hi vlog. We made it to the beach and we got our food. And so I think we're gonna head down there until sunset. Yeah.
Gonna get ice cream?
And then get ice cream. We found a vegan ice cream shop.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay.
Bye.
See you later.
Made it to the beach. Yay. It's so pretty. Look at the sailboats. We're waiting till sunset. We got our food.
Oh my gosh, we actually have such a view.
Pictures are gonna be pretty.
Yeah. The sailboats?
Yeah. I can't really. So I got pad thai because I've been really craving it. She got Earth Cafe. She got a quesadilla.
Why did you say it like that?
Because I was thinking what kind of quesadilla.
Oh,
Chicken quesadilla.
I got a chicken quesadilla. It's really good.
Okay, now we're gonna eat and watch this beautiful waves.
This? Oh, ready? This one first, then this one, and then the gag gift. Okay, so this one is from my not my company, but so I'm the ambassador. Yeah.
Okay. Wait, is it with animals again?
Yes, this one has to do with like the ocean, and so 15%. So 15% of I don't like this. You were staring at me.
It's okay. You just put it down.
I literally mid-sentence. I was like, no. Anyway, 15% of the profits that you buy on this website, it's called SandCloud. They go to raising money to clean up our beaches and plasticware for the animals and marine life. So let's check it out. Link down below.
Yeah,
Should I open it? Yeah, sure. Like hold it and pull it out. No, I can't. Oh.
It's a crop top.
Yeah.
I've been loving it.
Right? I like the tie-dye and it says sand. Yeah. Yay! Thanks for helping our ocean. Oh my gosh, people are staring at me. I look like a mom. I feel like a mom. Wow, I'm really bad at this. Oh, it's called Wholesome Culture, and this raises money to stop farm animal abusing. So like pigs and stuff like that. And goats, yeah. And cows. I thought the saying was really cute.
I love it! I've been wanting to read a shirt.
Yeah, I thought it was so cute. It says the best things in life are free. And it says cruelty.
I love it. I know this brand.
So now you have a whole bunch of shirts that are for our environment. And both shirts are organic. So they're made from plants and like waste. They're not made from like cotton or anything.
Thank you, I love it.
You're welcome.
It's not a gag, it's really sweet. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up.
Okay.
Thank you, I love it.
Yay! Okay, how do we stop this?
Just press the red button.
Okay, bye!
Walking barefoot to go get vegan ice cream. So now we're walking to what's it? Vippy's? Vippy?
Kippy's.
Kippy's.
Kippy's ice cream.
Vegan ice cream.
This vlog is just a vlog of not knowing where we're going.
What? I know. I smelled it, but I didn't want to stop you from talking.
But yeah, this vlog is just a series of not knowing
Where to go?
where we're going.
Okay.
No, right?
We're turning left. Left.
Okay.
And then a car of screaming girls decide to scare us for no apparent reason.
So we just got our ice cream.
It's
It's not that bad.
the matcha's not good. She likes matcha.
I love matcha. I think matcha's great, but you know, we got these little nut things. We forgot to show you
Mulberries.
guys. We kind of ate it already, but we took really cute Instagram photos, so check it out. And now we're gonna watch sunset on the beach if we make it back in time. We might not make it back in time, but we're gonna try to hurry.
Yeah.
Okay, see you guys there.
Bye.
Transition. We made it to the beach, and it's so pretty.
Guys, look, it's going away. It's so pretty, oh my gosh. So we're leaving the beach. Is it getting it? Oh, it's so pretty.
It's so pretty.
Had such a good time.
It was really fun.
It was my first real sunset, I think. I think so.
Beach sunset.
Beach sunset, yes. It was really pretty.
Oh my gosh, oh, it's so beautiful.
Now we're going home.
Honestly,
That's another
this
2
is
hours.
a workout. Struggling to walk in the sand. Not the best. Okay, once again, we don't know where we're going.
2 hours at least.
It takes 2 hours to get home. So, wish us luck.
Yeah, so we'll see you when we get on the tram. Bye.
Bye.
I'm recording? Oh, it is. Okay, guys. So we're at Sarah's house now, waiting for my grandma to pick me up. and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I had a very good time. Thank you for spending the day with me.
Yeah, it was so fun.
Yeah,
We just washed our faces and like,
I feel clean.
yeah, I feel so much better.
I don't feel dirty anymore.
Me neither. Look, and we both got these new shirts.
Yes.
Cute.
So, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to. And I will see you in my next video. And always remember to be true to you because you're using you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, ladies and gents!